when I want to create a chart for this type of data, where I have the region, and then I have the state, and I have the sales. Okay, and for this, what I'm going to do, I go to insert. Among recommended charts, you will see there are two special type of charts here. One is, this is the called as the, this is the Sunburst chart, and this is the Treemap chart. Okay, if I use a Sunburst, then the chart comes like this, where I have the west, the north, the east, and the south, and each region in turn is exploding. Means Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar. And again, I have the different chart styles. So if I want anything else to be visible, I can put them over here. The styles will change, the legends will change, the chart title will change. Okay, and over here also, if I click on this, data labels are there. Right now, the data labels none, I want to show. So the data labels, if I say none, then they will go off. And if I say show, then they will be visible. Okay, and if I say more data label, then I get this option, more data label options. So over here, I can click on this chart, and if it's a number, or how do I want to show this? Okay, label options. Do I want to show the values also? I click on value, then the values are also visible. Okay, maybe I don't want the category name because it is getting very cluttered here, and instead I might want this. I might want a legend here. So I can go from here also, chart on the right hand side. So the blue means north, the gray means east, the orange means south, and the yellow means west. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And of course, you can change the colors just like we were doing. If you like it to be more colorful, or you want it to be monochromatic. So those color changes you can do. As you scroll down, you will get multiple options. And if you click on this layout, sorry, you will get this option. Okay. And
so if you put,
yes,
put, sir, the chart, row table, what is called? Row chart,
sorry,
like previous one, how it would look like.
This one, you mean in
Yes.
the horizontal chart, the column chart?
Yeah, the previous one you used.
So here I can go to this recommended chart. So here you have a recommended chart also like this, where north, south, east, west is showing. This is another way. There are different types of charts that can be created here. So this one also you see here. Here they are creating it like Haryana, Punjab, north, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka is south, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa is east, Maharashtra, Gujarat is west. And if I don't want the labels to be visible, I can again switch off the labels as per my choice so that it looks a lot neater.
This one doesn't look nice. It's totally messed up.
It depends on how you want to, how does this look? So you have to, sometimes you have to just go to the create a table and then look at it, how it is doing it, how it is looking. See here, I can see the data level. Is it looking that bad?
If I throw some options in there, then it looks fine.
So see, this is always, remember, Excel, you might have to try multiple options before you can get the correct one. If you make any changes, data will immediately get reflected here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, that was our sunburst. Now you can also change the design here. You can make it a tree map. What does a tree map do? Tree map also splits out the data by, this is west, this is north, all this is east, this is south. So it gets clubbed together and you have different options, different coloring options, labels. So you can see all of them. Or if you don't want these to be visible, you can come here. You have the data labels and switch it off, or you want only the the values, then you can come here, data labels, more data label options, go to the chart, label options, only the value you want to show. That's also fine. Got it?
Clear, sir. Sapura, can you hear us?
Yes. Oh, you are asking?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions, Savara?
No, sir.
So this is what we call as a tree map and a sunburst type of chart. Okay. Now the other ones mostly, so column and line, I think all of you know this already. Pie chart we saw. Bar chart is something which is horizontal. Okay. And you can change it like this and you can look at them. This is the area map. You can have an X and Y scatter diagram. Scatter diagrams are used particularly when you want to display certain values or you want to show the correlation between the values. Okay. And then you have the stock here. Okay, stock prices if you want to show the high, low, close. Okay, but the data has to be presented in that manner so that you can generate. These are called the candlesticks where you can generate the prices, but the order has to be opening price, high price, low price, and then closing price. Can also have a surface kind of map, radar map. Okay, tree maps and a box and whiskers. Nowadays, this is also another type of chart that has been introduced in 2017, box and whiskers. Then this is called a waterfall. Waterfall basically shows you the difference between the different values which are here. For example, if I were to look at see, this is 10,000. The extra amount, 11,000 is only visible here. That means the difference. Now, if there is a drop here, that also it will be visible from between 11,000 and 22,000. rest of the part is missing. That means only the incremental value is being shown here. Okay, so if you look at this 13,000, again this 13,000 Kerala, so that is the difference. So in a waterfall chart, it assumes that the values that you are giving is the difference between the two. Okay, so actually the chart should be like this here. This is not the right way to do this chart. The right way to do a waterfall chart is like this. You do a difference and you would say, let's say the difference between this and this. Now it can be plus or minus. So incrementally you would get the differences, right? And then when you generate your graph, you would say like, so when I generate a waterfall chart, I'll just select the differences. Okay. And then I go and look at the incremental. See, this is my waterfall chart. So waterfall chart gives me a clear indication of the increase and decrease. So there is a increase difference between, this is 1,000. Suddenly there is a jump to 11,000 between the two. Okay, this was 22,000. So there is a jump in 22,000, 11,000. So the difference is very, very apparent. Got it? And if there is a decrease, system will show it in a different color. So that could be a red also, so that people can make out which one is increasing and which one is decreasing.
So what is the chart name again?
Waterfall chart.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. Try this